Hi guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a what I got for Christmas, and I'm also going to be sharing what I gave for Christmas. I'm super excited for this video, and I'm hopefully getting back to YouTube, so stay tuned for more videos, but let's just go ahead and get started. So, super quick life update. I actually have a boyfriend now, so that's crazy, but I'm going to start by sharing the gifts that him and his family got me. I also look hit right now. We're not going to talk about it. I just rolled out of bed, but we're going to pretend I look nice and beauty rested. I'm a very picky person, so it's just easier if we could give each other like lists of what we kind of want. So the things he got me, I kind of picked out, like I told him like a guideline of what I wanted, and then he picked like the styles and stuff like that. So all that aside, the first thing that he got me is this super cute white fox hoodie. I have never had a white fox hoodie, and I feel like they're all the hype now, so I'm super excited about this one. It's like a really nice like marled gray color, so it's not white. It's so cute. I'm literally obsessed, and here is what the back looks like. And then he got me a second white fox hoodie. This one is a little bit of a different style. It just has like a very subtle like white fox in the front, and then on the back it says leisure. Oh my god, did I stain it already? No, literally dust. I'm embarrassed. These are so comfy. I understand the hype now because I need like every single color. The next thing he got me, I kind of got part of it a little bit early. So he got me 3 Urban Outfitters tops. One top is at school because it's like a going out top, and like I got it before Christmas, so I don't have it on me right now. But this is the front. It's so cute. It shows like a little under boob here, like we love her. And then on the back it's like tie up. I just love corset style tops that have like this boning in it because I feel like they're most flattering on my body type, and then also just like the upper region, it like actually holds them in so they're not like flying all over the place. That was very visual. But here's the first top. The next top I got, I thought was so interesting, and I've never seen anything like it. First of all, the color is so pretty. I normally don't go for browns, but I thought this one was so cute because it's like a darker, like deeper brown than my skin tone. But it's like a cowl neck, but it also kind of ties in the middle, and then on the back it's like a scrunch. This is the brand Silence and Noise. The other one, Out From Under. The next thing he got me is a Kendra Scott necklace. So the one time I'm not wearing it right now is because it's like my neck's not showing, but I wear his initial on my neck every single day. I asked for a Kendra Scott necklace. So this one I got is like a little pink heart. It is so cute. This is just something that's perfect for everyday use, so I'm so excited to start pairing this, and I can layer it with the other one, and I will not just be wearing the same necklace every single day anymore. The next thing my boyfriend got me is this Summer Fridays lip balm. I've never had one of these, and I see them all over the place on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. People are raving about this. So I got the brown sugar color. I think these are tinted. I don't know. I feel like this type of tone looks good on my skin tone, so I'm really excited about this one. The next thing I got is this Amazon hoodie. It's just like a gray quarter zip, super simple, and I don't know, good for every day. It's really thick and comfy, so I love that. It's like an athletic-y material. Like it's not like Sherpa on the inside. It's just like a nice slick material. This will be good for class, the gym, etc. I'm excited about this basic piece. Next up, he got me my favorite shower sugar scrub. This is just by Tree Hut. We all know her. We love her. This is the vitamin C flavor. I've never had this one before. Ooh, that smells so good. I use this all the time in the shower when I'm shaving and stuff to get my skin nice and exfoliated and smooth. So I actually just ran out of both of mine at school. So I'm so excited to, you know, have some clean skin and not look like a furry, literal rainforest on my legs. Rainforest, I don't know if those have leaves, but you know what I'm trying to allude to. Last but not least, my boyfriend got me this kitchen like spoon rest because he cooks in my apartment a lot, and he complains that there's like nothing for him to rest his utensils on. So he got us this, which is helpful for all my roommates. Then for my boyfriend's parents, just super quickly, they got me this custom stocking. So cute. I don't know if this is supposed to be a wiener dog, but I have like a literal unhealthy fetish with wiener dogs. So it's so cute. It's from Pottery Barn Kids. It has my name on it. With that, they got me a Lululemon gift card, and I'm so excited for this because I never shop at Lulu anymore. I kind of think it's overhyped, but if it's not spending my own money, girl, I'm gonna be there. Moving forward, I'm gonna move on to what my parents got me. First of all, my college tuition, my apartment rent, my vacation, and then these gifts were not necessary at all, but let's get started. So, first off, my big gift for this year was a Canon G7X. If you know, I originally had this bad boy. What happened to her? First of all, the screen broke like literally 35 times. Like these screws were taped on for a period of time. But you know, that video I made where I was like on a boat having a fun time with my friends, yeah, that ended up with my camera breaking because Brittany was holding it. A big wave came, splashed in the boat. I don't know, it went bad. So long story short, camera broke. Nonetheless, I got a new G7X. We got a little warranty on her, so if I happen to go on a boat again and, you know, sink her, I can get a new one. So I'm so excited they were able to get their hands on a G7X because all the Instagram girlies are selling this one out because they want to take pictures. Why do you need a $700 camera for pictures? Really beats me, but anyways. Next up, I got a bathing suit. Does this make any sense to you? No, I'm actually returning it because it just makes me look like a fat whale, and I'm not about it. So here's her. And then I also got another bathing suit. That one was from Pretty Little Thing. This one's from Fashion Nova. This, yeah, that's not gonna work on me, so we're returning her as well. well, actually I can't return it, so I have to sell it or something. So if you're around my size and you don't have boobs and you want a red sleigh one-piece bikini or bathing suit, hit my line. So that bathing suit was from Fashion Nova, and then I also got another pair of jeans from Fashion Nova. If you guys have not tried Fashion Nova jeans, you literally have to. I always thought that they were like only for like slim, thick, like Kim K body built girls, but apparently not, because all of my jeans are from there and I literally am obsessed with them. So these are just a black like straight leg pant. They only have rips in the knees, which is nice. These are stretchy too, which I was not expecting because most of my Fashion Nova jeans don't stretch, but let me put you on. You need a pair of Fashion Nova jeans. They are so good, and I literally am built like SpongeBob SquarePants. Like that's literally me, and they still fit me. So this whole like thick baddie bitch thing, not true. Moving on, I got some makeup products. So I'm trying to like be my makeup era right now. I literally just threw on some lip gloss and I'm like thinking I'm a baddie, but I literally look like I literally lived in a sewer for 6 months. But I decided, you know, when I go back to school, I'm gonna be back in my slay era. That's like my goal every January, to like pop off. First thing I got is this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. My friend Jamie literally put me on to Kylie. She loves it, and I was kind of like, eh. Kylie's like giving 2015, but I don't know. It's kind of it's a good highlight. So this is in the shade Cotton Candy Cream. I'll give you guys a little swatch test. This is what she looks like. Like, she's stunning, radiant, gorgeous, and it's really hard for me to find a highlight I like, and I haven't used this one yet, but I think I like it because I think it's the one that she has. I also want to start using powder, so I got this, the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the dark shade. This is dark / deep, shade 2, so hopefully this will like help to like, I don't know what powder does. I was gonna give an explanation, but I really have no freaking clue what powder does, so I'm not gonna gaslight you and pretend I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know. I need one of those like powder puff things apparently, and they like help me with this. Next I got some of my infamous protein powder. This is a Planta brand. I got one, I think almost 2 years ago for Christmas. I got the chocolate candy bar flavor. Like, look how good it looks on the package. Just take a look. Like, that's gaslighting me. It did not taste that good. So I decided to buy the same brand in a different flavor. I really couldn't tell you. I don't really know why I buy this, but it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, and I have a lot of stomach issues, so this helps me out a lot. The next thing I got is a oh my god, the battery's gonna die, I need to speed this up, is a heatless curling set. So this is what it looks like. I've seen this all over TikTok. My hair looks literally busted right now, so perhaps I should end this video and put these in, but I'm excited to stop frying off my hair every day, so here she is. The rest of this video is really just like small things. So I asked for a pair of fuzzy socks because my apartment at school is literally on like 70 degrees and it's so cold. My apologies, the battery died. I actually hate my life, but I need to speed this up. I'm a huge tea drinker, I'm a literal grandma, so I got this big S mug. I asked my mom for just like a nice mug. This is really nice. Where'd she get this from? I have no idea, but it's really like a nice ceramic mug. I got some deodorant. This is the best deodorant you will ever have. It's the Dove 0%. What the 0 means, 0% aluminum. Do I know what that means? No, but it sounds like healthy and skinny and like Kim K snatched. So call me Bella Hadid. I got some razors. These are not my typical razors and they kind of literally suck. I used them in the shower yesterday and oh, they're disposable. I don't know if all razors are disposable, but like this is giving one-time use. Like my hair is still on my body. I got some gum, and then last but not least, my sister got me the Alex Earl Light. I have one already at school, but now I have one at home. So if I want to make some TikToks and be in my slay era, in the comfort of my small suburban town, New Jersey, I can do that now. So that is all I got for Christmas, and now I'm gonna move on to what I gave for Christmas. So first off, the stuff I got my boyfriend, it's a lot. I already gave it to him prior to filming this video, so I don't have it on me right now, but check out my TikTok. I'll link it down below. It's Softball Steph Swag Money. You see what I got him because I'm literally sugar mommy. I won Christmas. That is what I got my boyfriend for Christmas, and now I'm gonna move on to some of the other things that I got my friend. Okay, so the first thing I got for my Secret Santa is this like tan, kind of like cream colored two-piece sweat set. It's like shorts, I wear it all the time. Next I got her this top. It's like a going out top. She has it in like a coral color and it looks super good on her, so I got it for her in this like green color. And then to go with that, I got one of these Lululemon keychains. And then to go along with that, I got her these sunglasses. They're like these big sunglasses that she always steals from me, so I decided to get her her own pair finally. Next, I got her this very random gift. It's a back applicator for self-tan. If you know Claire, she loves her self-tan, but this is very practical for her, so I got this. And then lastly, just got her some candy. I know she loves Reese's because I used to always eat them in her apartment last year. Okay, I'm home for winter break and I am going to Jamie's little birthday party. It's her 21st, so I have a gift I'm giving her for Christmas and her birthday. First off, I made her this shop book. I'll give you guys a quick little pan over. And then I'm giving her this bedazzled Tito's bottle I made. Pink Yeti shot glass. It says 20 fucking 1. J necklace. This little drunk card game we could probably play tonight if we want to. And then a $50 Lululemon gift card and a $25 Starbucks gift card. And I ordered her a sweatsuit that was supposed to be part of the gift, but they sent me the wrong thing and I didn't realize until last night, so I had to get her gift cards instead. So next up we have Michaela's gift. Her gift is very random because she's literally impossible to shop for. Basically my vibe is when she mentions something she might want, I write it down, and this is basically just a list of like those things. So it's very random, but first off, we have a crock pot. Now your typical college student may not want a crock pot, but she likes to make these elaborate meals, so I thought it was cute and just better than like the standard like silver, so we got that. To go along with that, I got her a meat thermometer because every time she cooks me dinner, she's like scared that the meat's not cooked. So now we have a meat thermometer to ensure that our meats are cooked. Moving on, we have a lamp because she has one light in her apartment and I don't like the dark. Next, we have some hair bonnets because she's a curly haired gal and every curly haired gal needs a bonnet. So I got her navy for Penn State and black if she's feeling boring. First, we have this. Oh, this is not the material I wanted it to be. This navy high neck bodies, or am I blind? This maroon high neck bodysuit. And then I got her a navy one. Cute. And then lastly, this is on her Christmas list to her mom, so I figured I would just get it because you can never have too much of this stuff. It's just her like curl mousse she uses, so let's unwrap her. But that is all that I got for Michaela. For my parents, my dad wanted this like coffee pour over thing. I don't know what it is. My mom ordered it and just slapped my name on it, so slay for that. And then for my mom, I got her a pair of the Nike Blazer platform lows. These are so cute. I want them for myself, but I'm already like a Jolly Green Giant, so I don't think I need more height. So that is everything I got for Christmas and everything I gave for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and trust me, I will be posting more videos, I promise, prior to the next 6 months. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.